visitors, good afternoon. When I grow up, I want to be a flight attendant. To dream early, to prepare early, that is the smart thing to do. And I believe this with all my heart and mind. I cannot become to what I am to be overnight. Somewhere I must begin with basics, with readiness, so to speak, and somewhere I must cross the finish line. I am glad I have begun. I have taken the first crucial step. 3 years of kindergarten work is not much preparation for my ambition. But I can tell you what I can do right now. I could already print my name clearly, having mastered all the letters of the alphabet. And each time I could spell, read, and write simple words. And of course, my math lesson is taught me how to count, to add, to subtract, and to write numbers. Most importantly, I have learned about God and how to please Him. Never underestimate my kindergarten preparation for my life ambition. My kindergarten is slowly but surely making a flight attendant out of me. To my kinder teacher for all the taught me deserve all the credits to my growing intelligence and skills. I would like to say thanks to my mommy and daddy and providing my needs and their love and concern for my future. To them, my heart filled gratitude. I really praise and thanks to all the people involved my growing life. Truly, my kindergarten is fun and amazing. Thank you so much and God bless us all.